Hey everyone, if you need to cancel an order on CNFan, here is the quick guide to help you through the process. Follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important point. First, log into your CNFans account and go to the user center. Click on the order section to view all your current orders. The cancellation process depends on your order status. If your order status is order pending, you can cancel it directly. Just look at the order and select the cancel option. Your payment will be immediately refunded to your CNFans account balance. If your order is order processing, cancellation is possible only if CNFans hasn't yet purchased the item. Cancel the order and refund will be processed to your account balance within 1 working day. If the order status is purchased, CNFans has already bought the item from the seller, you will need to contact CNFans customer service via the option linked to your order. They will request a refund from the seller if the seller hasn't shipped the item. Once confirmed, your refund will be processed within 3 days. If the seller has already shipped the item, cancellation is more complex. Contact CNFans customer service to coordinate a possible return and refund. This depends on the seller's return policy and can take 7 to 15 days. Remember, acting promptly and monitoring your order status helps ensure a smooth cancellation process on CNFans. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.